Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a VPN in the Opera browser on your iPhone. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. Using the built-in VPN in the Opera browser is a straightforward way to add a basic layer of privacy to your mobile browsing without needing to install a separate app. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, locate and open the Opera browser on your iPhone's home screen. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the App Store. Once the browser is open, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see a small icon with 3 dots. Tap on this menu icon. From the menu that slides up, you need to select the option that says Settings. Tapping this will open the full Settings menu for the Opera browser. Inside the Settings menu, you will need to scroll down a little until you see a section titled Features. Under this Features section, you should see an option clearly labeled VPN. If you're having trouble finding it, you can use the search bar at the very top of the settings page. Just type VPN and it will take you directly to the right setting. To turn on the VPN, simply tap the toggle switch right next to the VPN option. The switch will turn blue, indicating that the VPN is now active. Once it's enabled, you can also turn on the Connect Automatically feature, which will activate the VPN every time you open the Opera browser, which is great for consistent privacy. Now, to use the VPN while you browse, go to any website. Look in the address bar at the top of the screen. You will now see a small VPN icon, usually to the left of the web address. You can tap this icon to quickly turn the VPN on or off for your current session. Tapping the icon will also open a menu where you can select your virtual location. Tap on Optimal Location to see a list of the free server locations available, like Europe, Asia, or the Americas. While Opera's free VPN is convenient for light use, it's important to know its limitations. The server selection is very limited, the speeds can be inconsistent, and it only protects your browsing traffic within the Opera app itself, not your other apps or overall internet connection. For a truly private and fast experience, I highly recommend using a dedicated VPN service like NordVPN. It encrypts all the internet traffic from your iPhone, not just from your browser. You get access to thousands of high-speed servers in dozens of countries, which is perfect for unlocking content and maintaining fast speeds for streaming and downloading. Plus, it includes advanced security features like threat protection to block malicious websites and trackers. NordVPN offers a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it for 30 days using the link below.